Assalamu alaikum. This is Yasser Ahmed and you are watching Arabic Voice, and this is Arabic for Beginners course. So this is the third episode and we are going to study a very interesting topic today, which is the pronouns. In Arabic we have many pronouns, 14 pronouns, but for this level and for this lesson we will be focusing on the main pronouns. So the first one is ana. Ana means I. The second one is nahnu. Nahnu means we. The third one is anta. Anta means you for masculine, singular. So if you are addressing a man, a boy, you say anta. The next one is anti. Anti. It's for female, singular, feminine. So if you are addressing a woman, a girl, you would use anti. Anti. The next one is huwa. Huwa, which means he. The next one is hiya. Hiya, which means she. Okay, let's start using these pronouns with some of the vocabulary that we studied before. So I can say, for example, if I'm a masculine, I can say أنا مدرس. أنا مدرس. I am a teacher. أنا مدرس. If a female is speaking, she could say أنا مدرسة. أنا مدرسة. And as you might notice, we just add this extra ta at the end of this adjective to make it feminine. So أنا مدرس, I'm a teacher, this is for a man. And أنا مدرسة if a female is speaking. أنت طبيب. You are a doctor. So if you are speaking to a man singular, you say أنت طبيب. أنت طبيبة. If you are speaking to a woman, you should say أنت, which means you for feminine, and طبيبة. We add this extra ta to make it feminine. So it's easy. هو مهندس. هو مهندس. He is an engineer. هي مهندسة. هي مهندسة. So those are the main pronouns in Arabic. I hope you understood this, and please try to write for us what's your job in the comments below. Thank you for watching this and stay tuned for our next episode. Assalamu alaikum.